and it is sunny at 7:38.
Hey neighbors!
Hey, look who's back.
Hey Justin! Newsflash, it's 3 days before Valentine's Day and the big question is, may date ka na
Of
ba?
course! Wala pa, Chef G. Pero may 3 days pa ako.
Yes, may 3 days.
Tignan natin.
Don't worry, I got you, brother. Because today, we are bringing you and you a special Valentine's Day episode. And this time, we're making 3-course meal using our smart devices, of course. Just in time for Valentine's Day.
Just in time.
Yes,
Just in time
yeah,
for Valentine's Day. Pwede. Thank you so much, Chef G. And to everybody, hey, welcome to Next Upgrade, your ultimate guide to upgrading your home into a smart one.
To start off with this 3-course meal, Justin, meron tayong napakadaling recipe dito. Okay. This is one of my favorite appetizers. This is crunchy, this is easy to make, and we'll be needing just a few simple ingredients lang. We have pasta here. This is cooked according to package instructions. Olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, Parmesan cheese. Sa dip natin, meron tayong ketchup, mayo, mustard, and the herbs of your liking. But today, we are using our smart Xiaomi Air Fryer para syempre mas healthy siya and mas madali siyang gawin. Hindi natin kailangan siyang i-fry.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Less oil ang gagamitin.
Less oil lang. Lalagay natin yung pasta dito sa ating bowl. We'll put olive oil, mga 2 tablespoons lang.
2 tablespoons.
It binds all the ingredients and the flavorings that we'll be using for the chips. We will season it with salt. Sana love potion na lang to, no? Para makakuha ka. Just
Nakakuha ka agad. Kailangan may date muna.
and a little bit of ground pepper. Ayan. Garlic powder, thyme, and
okay.
basil leaves. Ayan.
Basil. Parang
Yes.
ano? Parang
Oo.
pesto.
Oo, di ba? Oo, di ba? And we'll put Parmesan cheese.
Yeah, baby.
Yes, lagay na natin lahat yan. When we pop it in the air fryer, natutunaw siya. So it adds a little texture doon sa pasta chips natin. Yan, lagay na natin lahat. The mixing begins.
And the mixing begins, okay?
Parang witchcraft. Ano lang, ano?
Yes. You will love me. You will fall in love
Lagyan natin yan. Alright. Alright, once everything is covered with your seasonings and herbs, we'll put it in the air fryer drawer. Make sure lang when you're laying all the pastas, dapat flat siya. Para everything is evenly cooked.
So see, Chef, the way. This is with love.
Oh, dapat pala salt bake ka
Salt
kanina.
bake
no?
ka dito. Diba? Para ito.
Yes.
Diba?
Isa-isa.
Okay, alright.
What's nice about this Xiaomi Air Fryer, nagsisirculate talaga yung heat inside. Evenly cooked talaga yung dish natin.
And what's nice is that 3.5 liters itong Xiaomi Air Fryer na to.
Malalagay, no? So yan, ganito dapat yung itsura ng ating pasta chips before we pop it in our air fryer.
Alright.
We'll just pop it in our air fryer for 15 minutes at 195 degrees. Press, and then manual, and then 195 and 15 minutes. Then boom!
Boom.
While waiting for our pasta chips, are you ready to level up the next course?
Ready na ba ako?
Yes.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's go.
Sana already. Yes. So, to level things up a bit, would like to make the next dish healthy, easy, and still delicious.
Healthy, ah? Sige na nga. What's healthy, easy, and still pretty delicious, Chef?
2 words, my friend. Rosemary Chicken.
Rosemary. I see.
Ganun pala yun.
Rose. Oh, so what do we need, Chef?
Yes, we only need a few ingredients. Of course, meron tayong chicken breast, these spices, meron tayong onion powder, black pepper, rosemary, of course, paprika, lemon, and oil. Ako, nagtataka ka yata.
Oo.
Where's the chicken?
Where's the chicken?
No, where's the chicken?
Where's the chicken?
Kanina, we were able to marinate it already. Parang love lang yan.
Talaga ba?
Pag mas tumatagal siyang binabad, mas sumasarap. Diba? Babad sa pagmamahal. Alright, so this is the chicken and these are the ingredients that were used for the marination. Yes. And this is par cooked. And babalik ulit natin siya sa ating Breville Smart Oven Pro to finish the cooking and to give it
Brownie.
brown color. Yes.
Let's go.
More color.
So So what comes next after the main course,
Well,
Chef G?
You know what they say, there's always room for mistakes.
Oh, mistakes.
Pwede.
Forgiveness. Ay,
Pero hindi,
too soon?
Justin.
Okay.
Dessert.
Dessert muna tayo.
What are we waiting for? Simulan na natin. For a special Valentine sweet goodie, we are going to make the infamous chocolate chip cookies.
I love chocolate chip cookies. Oh my gosh. Kahit simple lang siya, iba-iba yung pwedeng lasa niya.
Wow.
Depende kung kanino galing.
Dapat, if you're baking cookies or anything na pastry, dapat made with love.
Made with love. O, diba? So, galing sa puso.
Nakong swerte na makakatanggap nito, Justin, ha?
Yes.
Siyempre, we have chocolate chips or any kind of chocolate, compound chocolate will do. Pwedeng white, dark, di ba? Milk chocolate. We have flour here.
Perfect. Valentine's Day. Flour.
Flowers for you.
Oh,
Wow.
thank you, Chef G.
Yes. We have white sugar, brown sugar, salt, melted butter, and of course, vanilla essence. Nako, I think we have to move the
Let's do it.
mixer here.
Yes. And we got the Breville Bakery Boss.
Yeah,
It's
ang
heavy
ganda,
duty.
no?
Ooh.
Tilt, release. Yeah. So, we'll add the sugar first. White sugar, do the honors. Yep. There you go. Brown sugar here. The purpose of brown sugar, it has more molasses.
Okay.
So, mas magiging chewy yung cookies natin.
Oh, I see.
We'll add the melted butter.
Mm.
There you go. We'll cream the butter and the sugar.
Okay.
So,
Down.
put it down. Tilt.
So may mga modes dito. There's
Yeah.
aerating, whipping, creaming, beating, light mixing.
Creamy. Yes.
Creaming, beating.
Yes.
Okay. Wow, all this food. Thirsty na ako, Chef. Wala ka bang panulak dyan?
Say no more, Justin. Siyempre meron. I know I have some soju and some strawberries in the
Oh,
fridge.
okay.
And we can make this change straight. But why don't we see if our handy Smart Hub fridge right there has any ideas for us? No? What do you think?
I'm listening, Chef. Yeah.
Fridge. We want something sweet, something strong, and something personal.
I just want something real. Ay, joke! Okay. Pero
Of course, something real, made with real ingredients.
real ingredients. There you go. Okay.
Okay, let's type that in.
Let's type it in.
Alright, so we'll be making blended strawberry soju cocktails. All we need is diced strawberries, strawberry flavored soju, Sprite, and ice.
Oh, grabe. Ang galing talaga ng ref na to.
And of course, sobrang convenient nito kasi it even takes stock of what ingredients you have and lets you know if you need to do any groceries or if you have everything you need for a recipe. Alright, since we have everything here, we can start making cocktails using our Breville Kinetix twist. Right? What's great about this is it's not your typical blender.
This one.
It's really made for making these types of drinks kasi it prevents the lumpiness from the fruits. Diba? You don't
para
want
mas
any
smooth.
lumps kapag nag-blend ka ng fruits. It makes it creamy and it helps the drink stay cold than the usual.
Okay, galing.
First, we cut strawberries.
Okay.
No? Don't be tipid. You wanna try cutting the strawberries?
Okay. Let's
Madali lang
see.
yan. Sipin mo na lang ang puso mo yan.
Oh, no! Ha! Just kidding. I heard yung technique dito is you do that, right? Nails, so you don't
Nails
cut.
and away from the fingers.
Just like
So after we cut our strawberries or fruits, let's take it slow first. 1:1 muna ng soju and ng lemon soda.
Cool it off.
We blend first our strawberries, our chopped strawberries here, and we'll leave some for garnish. And then ice. Enough
Okay.
lang to make it like a smoothie soju strawberry
Yes.
cocktail.
Yeah.
Yes,
Because you don't want it to be
ayan.
too watery,
Yes,
right?
we'll open this. Strawberry flavored soju. Ayan. Half lang
There you go.
muna.
Half
Ayan.
lang?
Kasi it might overflow
Oh, I
sa
see.
serving glass natin.
Okay. Taking it slow. We're taking it slow.
And our lemon soda. Yes.
And
Half
this.
lang.
A half din.
Yes. All right, and then we can start blending.
So this is our Breville Kinetix twist. Let's turn it on first, of course. Okay. And pulse?
Pulse muna.
Parang yung puso na may pulse. May pulse.
Wala ka nun eh.
Ah, wala ba?
Wala ka nun
Oh,
eh.
what's this? Oh. See? Meron! Alright, so we just...
Yeah, until the strawberries are... No, pwede natin.
Tell me when to stop.
And done. And then we put the garnish, the chopped strawberries.
Here we go.
Ooh,
Oh.
fancy. More.
More. Okay.
And there you go. We put a little garnish. And
Hey, chef tips.
right.
Just like that. Oh man, this is awesome, diba?
Right,
No need
alright.
for a fancy bartender when you can be your own bartender with these smart devices, diba?
Yep. Now that we have our cocktail, let's see the other recipes kung ready na.
Let's see.
I'm so excited and I'm hungry. Let's go.
And here we go. We have our
Yes.
3-course meal at my cocktails pa. Let's do a quick rundown again. We got our pasta chips with herb cream. We got our main course over here, which is
Rosemary chicken.
rosemary. And then of course we have our dessert.
Chocolate chip cookies.
I can't wait.
And of course,
And this is
we have the strawberry soju cocktail.
all right. So this again, these are pasta chips.
Pasta chips.
So put it in some dip.
Okay, cheers, brother.
Cheers. Oh, it's over.
Perfect start.
Oh,
for
the date's
main
gonna
course.
love that. Okay, healthier than regular chips. Diba?
And you can customize your own dip.
True. So, pasta chips, good.
Good.
Let's go to our main course. We got our rosemary chicken.
Rosemary chicken.
No, it looks very good for sure. You see,
The color, the browning.
yes, the browning.
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm.
No joke, it's really good.
It's not dry. Usually that's the problem with chicken breast is it's very dry, right? Pero sa
This
Chef
one is
G
moist.
to. The Chef G. Hindi yan dry yung chicken breast niya. And of course, the Breville Smart Oven Pro. It helps keep the chicken moist.
Yung marination and yung seasoning, it really helps, no? So it takes time for it to develop the flavor.
For
All
Valentine's
good.
Day. Okay.
What about our strawberry soju cocktail?
Okay. Cheers, neighbors. Oh, very refreshing.
Try it too.
Okay, let's try it.
Okay.
Refreshing. So
Perfect.
refreshing. Mwah. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss.
Perfect for Valentine's talaga, no? Not too strong, not too sweet, just perfect.
I don't know. For me, I like sweet, chef.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I prefer the sweetness of life, right?
Okay.
And so for me, ito yung magiging piece de resistance. natin, Okay, we have our chocolate
best for
chip
last.
cookies.
Desserts.
Let's go. Break it in half.
Yeah.
Oh, sige, ganito. Okay, ready?
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
See that? See that? It's very chewy, it's moist,
Oh.
right? Look at that.
Ooh. Okay, ready? Cheers.
Very moist.
Good.
Yes.
That
not too
crumbles
sweet.
perfectly. Right up.
Yes. Blends perfectly.
Chef,
Perfect.
can I just say, a plus for you. Very nice.
It's a team effort.
Chef G, baby. Okay, so that's it for our special Valentine's here on Next Upgrade.
Grabe, Justin. Nabusog talaga ako doon. See? I told you, I got you for today, brother.
Got you. Thank you so much. That checks off one thing off of my list. Chef G, maraming salamat sa iyo.
Of course, anytime. Don't worry, Valentine's Day is all about love after all. Self-love is just as important whether or not you're celebrating this day with a date. Alam mo yan.
Okay, if you say so. Just kidding, na. Totoo nga naman. So on a serious note, diba, let's go easy on ourselves pag wala tayong date, no? This holiday's more than just about the romance, diba? It's more about love.
Self-love.
Right. So the important thing is, but happy tayo and content sa buhay. Oh, diba? If you're
Yes.
happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Yan. May mga wisdom pala talaga kahit single and ano. Anyway, thanks for watching this week's episode. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to keep you posted on our next episodes.
And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications as well. And if you want more information on the devices, go ahead and head on over to nextupgrade.ph. Happy Valentine's, neighbors! See you next Sunday.
Yun.
Yeah.